Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Vanish mode in Instagram. Vanish mode is a feature that allows you to send disappearing messages in Instagram chat. However, if you have accidentally activated your Instagram Vanish mode and find it annoying or simply don't want to use it, don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to disable it. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Instagram app in your mobile phone. Now go to direct messages. Now open the chat where Vanish mode is currently enabled. So in my phone, here it is. Now you can see how it looks when Vanish mode is on. Guys, when you are in chat window where Vanish mode is on, you just need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen within the chat window. This action will turn off Vanish mode for the particular chat. Now you can chat without worrying about your messages disappearing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.